Everybody say que pasó Franklin. Now Franklin is about to up his game by attempting 3 front somersaults on the wheel of death, in motion from more than 50 feet in the air. Now not only is that brave, but it is also crazy, okay? And we are gonna count each flip in Spanish. That's uno, dos, tres. So for now, everybody say, Franklin, you got this.